Hello everyone, my name is Sam and today I have an exciting video for all of you. Today we have the first episode of my new series called Let's Compare. Let's compare. Today we are going to play a game called What's Taller? Where we guess whether one thing is going to be taller than or shorter than another thing. Are you ready? Let's go. Which is taller? Christ the Redeemer in Brazil or the Statue of Unity in India? The Statue of Unity in India. Which is taller? Christ the Redeemer or the Statue of Unity? The Statue of Unity is much taller than Christ the Redeemer. The Statue of Unity in India is the tallest statue in the world. The Statue of Unity in India, the Statue of Unity is 182 meters tall. It's 182 meters tall. Christ the Redeemer is only 30 meters tall. Christ the Redeemer is only 30 meters tall. Christ the Redeemer in Brazil is much shorter than the Statue of Unity. It's much shorter than the Statue of Unity.
Good job!
Which mountain is taller? Which mountain is taller? Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania or Mount Fuji in Japan? Which mountain is taller? Mount Kilimanjaro is taller than Mount Fuji. Mount Kilimanjaro is 5,895 meters tall, whilst Mount Fuji is 3,776 meters tall. Mount Kilimanjaro is so tall. It's so tall, but it's not the tallest. It's not the tallest mountain in the world. The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest in Nepal. The tallest mountain in the world is Mount Everest in Nepal. Wow! Last question. Who is taller? My friend Rio or a normal person? Who is taller? My friend Rio or a normal person? My friend Rio is much shorter than a normal person. My friend Rio is much shorter than a normal person. My friend Rio is 5 foot and 3 inches tall. He's 5 feet 3 inches tall. A normal person is taller than my friend Rio. A normal person is 5 feet and 7 inches. A normal person is much taller than my friend Rio. That's everything for today's video. In the next episode, we are going to guess what is faster. What is faster? Leave me a comment down below telling me how many answers you got correct. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and to hit the subscribe button. See you later.